Everybody have a seat. Stacy, welcome to the show.
Hi, Wade.
Hey. So what do you do? Where are you from?
I am from sunny San Diego. I work in marketing for public transit. I just became a first-time mom and a first-time Broadway season ticket holder.
Congratulations to both.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
I'm actually going to get to see you in the Wiz. So
well, good. You got to come.
I'm
Then
quite
good. I'll
looking
see you
forward to
there
it.
then. Good. Now I got a little something for you, okay? Hey,
Okay.
Jonathan.
Hey, Wayne.
Now we have stuff here. We have a typewriter. So there could be something really cool that goes along with the typewriter, or it could just be a typewriter with something on it.
Okay.
So you can take a chance and take this, or Tiffany Coyne has that big box. So
The
think about it.
big box.
Take your chances on the typewriter or take the big box. Whatever you don't take, I've got to give to someone else who wants to make a deal. The squid, Martha, go on down there, Martha. Hello, Martha. Welcome to the show.
Hi, Wayne.
Now, what do you do?
I am a dance professor at Long Beach City College.
A dance professor.
Right.
Okay, so I know you teach them dance, but is it a specific type of dance or field or course?
All types of dance, including dance history, choreography.
That's what I meant.
That's
okay,
right.
great.
Hip hop, modern dance, jazz dance, all of it.
So you teach the whole thing. That's what it is. That's why you need to go to school to get the whole thing, because you could just dance, but you get the whole thing from you. I love that, Martha.
Right.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Okay, so Martha, you're gonna get something, but not from me. You're gonna get it from Stacy. Now, Stacy,
Be
typewriter, big box.
Well, you know, my sign says I came to get my crayon, so I'm going with the typewriter.
So you get the big box, Martha. I will give you $1,000. So just walk away.
Big box, Wayne.
The big box? Tiffany, what's in the big box for our dance professor?
Right.
So you passed on that to stick with the typewriter. What are you hoping goes along with the typewriter?
I'm hoping you're typing out an itinerary to my vacation.
Oh, that would be so
Maybe you're
nice.
typing out a check. I don't know.
That would be good. Okay.
Hopefully not homework.
Hopefully. So you could keep this, or we have a small box. Think about it, small box of your typewriter. Whatever you don't keep, I'll give to someone else who wants to make a deal. Jay, the astronaut. Jay, welcome to the show. I love the outfit. You got the space outfit on and the loafers, ready to moonwalk. I like that. Now, Jay, what do you do?
I'm an admissions rep at UEI College. I'm also a personal trainer, fitness coach. I actually have my own meal prep company as well, or business.
Give him a big round of applause. Welcome to the show, Jay.
Thank you.
So, Stacy, what do you want so I can give the other thing to Jay?
I think. Okay, a lot of people are saying typewriter, so we're sticking with my first choice.
So, Jay, we're going to give you the small box. I'll give you $1,500 to not take the small box. So, Stacy, you missed out on a trip, a little wine tasting. You also missed out on the first deal, the washer dryer.
Right.
So, we're hoping, now that you passed on over $8,000 worth of stuff, that this is something great.
Yes, we do hope that.
I'll make you one more offer. How about you take curtain number 1?
Oh my gosh. No? Okay, the crowd says typewriter, so we're sticking with the typewriter all the way.
Okay. What's behind curtain number 1?
It was a trip to Copenhagen.
Okay.
You could have spent an unforgettable 5-night journey in Denmark. You would have visited Copenhagen's grand castles and cathedrals, including Kronborg Castle. Plus, you could have taken a private food and drink tour and sampled Danish delicacies while soaking in the spectacular Scandinavian sights along the way. Round-trip airfare was included in this deal worth $9,862.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay. But it doesn't mean that this isn't something good. So let's see what goes along with the typewriter. Come on, the itinerary. No.
It's a coupon for a root canal. This deal's worth nothing.
Stacy.
Thanks, Wayne.
Thank you